Hello everyone, I am Anuradha and today I am here to discuss about the greatest prayer. The greatest prayer from the book The Resurrection by Neville Goddard. You imagine what you desire and then you believe it to be true. Every dream could be realized by those self disciplined enough to believe it. So, those who are really self disciplined, they are really blessed one. People are what you choose to make them. A man is according to the manner in which you look at him. So, what we see in people, in our surrounding, in our desire state, in our universe, you must look at him with different eyes before he will objectively change. So, two men looked from prison's bar. One saw the mud, the other saw the star. What is your perception towards the things in your desired state? The disciplined man sees others as he desired them to be. He hears only what he wants to hear. He sees only good in others. In him is no condemnation, for he transformed the world with his seeing and hearing. He is able to make the shift beyond his senses and trust his consciousness to touch the desired state consistently, persistently, every moment, repeatedly. To him, poverty is but the sleep of wealth. He does not see caterpillar, but painted butterflies to be. Not winter, but summer sleeping. Not man in want, but divine sleeping. As it is said, I am that. I am the Jesus. I am the Krishna. So I've seen people practicing the mantra or affirmation with the names of the God known as the Nama mantra, like the Hare Krishna mantra, Rama mantra. In all of this, the essence is to imbibe those divine qualities and bring it into our new self, to make the God self alive within us and completely discard the old, not serving self out of us. Long back, when I was student of marketing, we do read in the books the customer is always right. When got into practice, really felt the reality in action. It really doesn't matter whether the customer is right or wrong, but ultimately what value we bring, how we see our client is the significant difference. As a professional, we do understand there are those argumentative days, non productive days, bad meeting days, tough deadline days. There are those very tough days which we all struggle and try to avoid in the usual routine. But even in those days, how we see our teammates, how we see our respective teams and bosses, how we really bring the leadership and allow that supreme self or excellence in other to really shine through is our biggest contribution as a leader? Is our biggest contribution to really portray the role of a secure leader so that we can really help others to grow as well. Even how we see our clients and further every other member in this supply chain, and how we really grow the business. So, this is not just related to the business part, but even in the personal life, what you see in the other person really brings a significant difference. What you really see in your specific person, if you are really looking forward to manifest your specific person in your life. Are you able to see the divinity in action? What you are able to see in your child. So, there are many times I've been listening to parents who have been really struggling with tantrum issues, with anxiety issues of kids. So, how we see our children, are we able to see them in those higher light or the divine light? By seeing people in that higher assumed state, does it mean we are trying to control others? Absolutely not. Because now we are learning to stay committed. We are learning to stay disciplined to our own desired state and helping others to really experience excellence in their life. We are bringing the divinity in flow. We are bringing the God self into action and really getting the opportunity to thank our imagination, to thank the divinity within us, to thank each and every component in our universe to bring the magnificent shift in our own 3D reality. Have a wonderful life. Keep praying for yourself and keep praying for everyone in your own desired state. Take care.